If you're looking to buy a new tripod or upgrade your current one, then what features should you look for? What features will save you time, help you shoot more efficiently, and get the best shots possible? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know. It's coming up. Hey everyone, Steve here from Learn Online Video, and today we're talking all about tripods and the difference between the good and the bad, and what features to keep an eye out for the next time you're looking to buy one. Now, in front of me here, I've got two tripods. To my right, I've got my old tripod. This is the Velabon DV7000. I've used this one for about 3 years, but recently upgraded to this one. This is the iFootage TC7 with the Komodo K5 head. Now, to the untrained eye, these two tripods look very similar. They both have 3 legs, they're both black, and they both steadily hold a camera. And if holding a camera steady is all you're looking for, then to be honest, there really isn't that much difference between these two tripods. But if you're like me and you're someone that takes video production a little bit more seriously, you're someone that wants to work quicker, more efficiently, and get the best shots possible, then there are definite differences between these two tripods. And I'm going to walk you through those differences right now. Now, quick disclaimer, okay, this is by no means a fair comparison. Know going in that the Velabon DV7000 comes in at around about £120, whereas this iFootage setup, the tripod and the head, comes in at around about £330. This video is not about which tripod is better, because that will become obvious throughout this video. This video is about giving you the knowledge to be able to easily identify the difference between a good tripod and a bad one, so that you know exactly what to look out for. Now, I'm probably being a little bit harsh by calling this a bad tripod, because I used it for 3 years and I was happy enough, but that was because I'd never really used a good tripod, so I didn't know the difference. So let me run you through some of the features of my new tripod and we'll see how they compare to the old one, starting with build quality. Now, straight out of the gate, simply by holding these two tripods, I can clearly feel that the iFootage is far superior to the Velabon tripod. It's much, much lighter, which is hugely beneficial if you're run and gun like me. I'm always shooting in various locations, having to carry my tripod from one location to another, so the lighter my setup is, the quicker and more efficient I can be. The iFootage tripod is made up of aircraft-grade aluminium, carbon fiber, and stainless steel, waterproof and anti-corrosion. This thing is built to last, whereas the Velabon, well, this bit here looks like it's made of cork, and these clips, well, they're made of plastic. So that pretty much sums that up. Now, they say buy cheap, buy twice, but in my case, it was buy cheap, buy 3 times, because over the last few years, I've actually bought 3 of these Velabon tripods. Here are the other 2, and they've both broken. Clips have snapped off, legs have become dented and bent, and feet have gone missing. The amount of money that I paid for the 3 Velabon tripods, including the 2 broken ones that are now completely useless to me, costs more than the price of this one alone, except this one you'll only need to buy once. This thing will probably outlive me. So if you have the budget, always try to get the best quality product you can, because it will save you money in the long run. A good quality tripod is a very worthy investment if you are a videographer or filmmaker. Easy leveling. Now, the last thing you want when you're on a shoot is an unlevel shot, a ski whiff horizon, unless of course this is intentional. Generally speaking, you want your horizon to be nice and level. Now, let me show you how I used to level my shot using the Velabon. Now, this piece of acoustic foam is going to represent an uneven surface. So we're just going to place one tripod leg underneath it like that. Now, this is what I used to have to do in order to level my shot. I would have to individually adjust each one of these legs, and then I would check up here to see if I was level. A few more micro adjustments. Basically, it's very faffy. Now, let me place a piece of foam under this tripod leg and show you how easy it is to now level this shot. I don't even need to touch these legs at all. I just adjust it like that. and we're done. This easy leveling system is by far one of my favorite features of the iFootage tripod. No faffing about, unclipping each individual leg, trying to get a level shot. It's way more efficient, you save loads of time, and it makes the production process and getting the shot that you want so much easier. Okay, next up, shooting low. Part of being a good videographer or filmmaker is having the ability to capture a good range of shots, everything from tight to mid to wide, high to low. But unfortunately, it's not always possible to get a shot low to the ground because of your tripod's limitations. Take the Velbon, for example. This is as low to the ground as you can get with this tripod, whereas the iFootage tripod has what they describe as effortless leg spread. No more faffing about, having to take your camera off your tripod and balancing it on your camera bag just so you can get a shot low to the ground. This tripod makes life so much easier, another one of my favorite features. Now, as well as shooting low to the ground, this tripod also allows you to get your camera nice and high, which comes in really useful when interviewing tall people or if ever you need a shot with a bit of extra height. So always check whenever you buy a tripod, how low will it go and how high will it go. Quick release plates. Another crucial part of being efficient when shooting is being able to quickly and easily transfer your camera from one accessory to another. For example, I often shoot using a gimbal, so I need the ability to quickly be able to switch from my tripod to a gimbal. But the Velbon tripod head comes with this not so common quick release plate, meaning I have to unscrew the base plate, screw on another more common design in order to use my gimbal. What a giant faff. Whereas the iFootage tripod comes with a much more common quick release system, meaning I can effortlessly switch between my tripod and my gimbal. Multi-purpose feet. This is another feature that I love, which I didn't realize how much I needed until I used it. The Velbon tripod has these rubber feet. Not bad, but occasionally when wet or in slippery conditions can start to slide open. Whereas the iFootage tripod has these multi-purpose feet, rubber as well as these spikes, super useful when in muddy or more extreme conditions. So look, I really hope this video has given you a better understanding of what features to look out for the next time you're buying a tripod. Whether it's this one or this one, it doesn't matter, but just make sure that you get the tripod that's gonna work best for you and your needs. As always, I will link all gear used in this video, including these tripods, in the description below. If you found this video useful, let me know by giving it the old thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more content like this, learn more about video production, you can do that by watching one of my other videos just over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.